issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County, Delaware County, Eastern Howard County, Northern Henry County, Central Hamilton County, Tipton County, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walton to Noblesville, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lapel around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pendleton, Edgewood, Woodlawn Heights, Country Club Heights, and River Forest around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Anderson, Chesterfield, and Markville around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Daleville, Sulphur Springs, Mount Summit, Springport, Selma, Merlin, Brownsville, Prairie Creek Reservoir, and Summit Lake State Park. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 210 and 252. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hamilton, Henry, Howard, Madison, and Tipton.